डियर स्टूडेंट, आज हम डिस्कस करेंगे विद प्रॉपर एक्सप्लेनेशन केमिस्ट्री CISC एकेडमिक ईयर 2023-24 क्वेश्चन पेपर. Here are some instructions. This paper will be of 2 marks and it will be of 80 marks. आपके लिए सेक्शन A एंड सेक्शन B 2 सेक्शंस होते हैं. फर्स्ट सेक्शन 40 मार्क्स, सेक्शन B विल बी ऑल्सो 40 मार्क्स. सबसे पहला फर्स्ट सेक्शन जो होता है वो एक्सरसाइज बेस्ड क्वेश्चन होते हैं. MCQs, फिलअप्स, मैच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग, नेम ऑफ द फॉलोइंग. तो यहाँ पर सबसे पहले हम 1 बाय 1 स्टडी करेंगे. सबसे पहले आपको 15 MCQ मिलते हैं. फर्स्ट MCQ इज़ अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन अंडरगो. ये MCQ आपका ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री वाले चैप्टर से है, फ्रॉम ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री. आपको पता करते रहना है कि कितने मार्क्स का किस चैप्टर से आया है. ऑर्गेनिक केमिस्ट्री का चैप्टर हाइड्रोकार्बन वाले चैप्टर से है. द अनसैचुरेटेड हाइड्रोकार्बन अंडरगो. Unsaturated hydrocarbons are those hydrocarbons which contains double bond or triple bond between carbon atoms. So they will show addition reaction. अगर आप इनकी रिएक्शन क्लोरीनेशन या हाइड्रोजिनेशन या हाइड्रोलाइसिस करते हैं तो डबल बॉन्ड और ट्रिपल बॉन्ड ब्रेक हो जाते हैं और उनकी प्लेस पर जो जिससे हम रिएक्शन कर रहे हैं वो एलिमेंट या ग्रुप आके अटैच हो जाते हैं. सो द रिएक्शन इन विच एनी सब्सटेंस इज एड टू एनी कंपाउंड is called addition reaction. Now we will discuss another one. Next one is now second question. In the second period, neon has maximum ionization potential because it has an stable electronic configuration. No, neon is a noble gas, so it has stable electronic configuration. This statement is not correct. It easily accepts electrons because it has stable electronic configuration, so that it cannot take or lose electrons. So statement number 3 and 2 are also not correct. Fourth statement is the outermost cell is completely filled. This is the answer of this question because neon has stable electronic configuration. That means completely filled outermost cell or valence cell. That's why its ionization potential is maximum in its period. It is the member of second period. Now, third question. Copper, zinc and tin are metal alloys to form bronze. The composition of bronze alloy is copper, zinc and tin. These are metal alloy. Here aluminium 4%, in duralumin 4% copper, in bronze copper is 80% and zinc is 4% and tin is 16%, while in brass copper and zinc combine, and in solder Pb यानी कि lead and tin are combined. The metal hydroxide which reacts with both acids and alkalis to form salt and water is. कौन सा हाइड्रोक्साइड है जो एसिड और एल्कलाई से कंबाइन होकर सॉल्ट प्लस वाटर बनाता है? तो कैल्शियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, मैग्नीशियम हाइड्रोक्साइड, फेरिक हाइड्रोक्साइड और एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. सो आंसर इज एल्यूमिनियम हाइड्रोक्साइड. मेटल hydroxide react with both acids and base are called amphoteric, and aluminiums, hydroxides and oxides are amphoteric in nature. They can react with acid as well as with base. The chemical formula of aluminum hydroxide is AlOH, the whole thrice. Reaction of an alcohol with a carboxylic acid in the presence of concentrated H2SO4 is termed H. ये क्वेश्चन नंबर 5 जिसमें अल्कोहल की रिएक्शन कार्बोक्सिलिक एसिड से कॉन्सेंट्रेटेड H2SO4 की प्रेजेंस में हो रही है. सो दिस इन दिस एस्टर विल फॉर्म. सो दिस इज द एस्टरिफिकेशन. Reaction of any alkane or saturated hydrocarbon with halogen atom is called halogenation. Reaction with hydrogen of any unsaturated hydrocarbon is called hydrogenation. Removal of hydrogen and halogen atom is called dehydrohalogenation. Now, the reaction of this esterification is alcohol plus acetic acid gives ethyl ethanoate or ester and water. This is a reversible reaction. Conversion of ethanol to ethene by the action of concentrated sulfuric acid is an example of dehydration because concentrated H2SO4 is act as a dehydrating agent. It can remove water from alcohol. The oxidizing agent in equation S plus 2H2SO4 gives 3SO2 plus 2H2O. This is sulfuric acid. Here, oxidizing agent is sulfuric acid because sulfur is getting oxidized and H2SO4 is reduced, and the substances which reduce act as oxidizing agent. The equation is the follow. S plus H2SO4 gives 3SO2 plus 2H2O. Electron affinity is maximum of bromine, magnesium, argon and lithium. All are argon is inert, magnesium and lithium are metal, so their electron affinity is lower. Bromine is halogen, its electron affinity is highest because it has tendency to gain one electron. The compound, ninth question, the compound that is not a constituent of electrolytic mixture used in Hall-Héroult process. It's sodium aluminate, NaAlO2. A small mixture of cryolite, Na3OAlF6 and fluorspar, which is also called calcium fluoride, is applied or added with bauxite in electrolysis of aluminum because they decrease melting point or lower the melting point of the substance and increase the conductivity. Question number 10, on passing ammonia gas overheated copper oxide. For some time, a reddish brown residue is left behind. What property of ammonia is demonstrated here? It is reducing property of ammonia. Copper oxide functions as a reducing agent because it reduces to copper oxide to copper, which is of reddish brown color. In presence of ammonia and nitrogen and water is formed. Question number 11. Rotten egg smell is of H2S, hydrogen sulfide. Hydrogen sulfide is frequently causes the stretch of rotting eggs. Hydrogen sulfide is a colorless gas with foul odor reminiscent of rotten egg. Ammonia gas, question number 12 is here, is collected by downward displacement of air. Since ammonia is lighter than air, the gases which are lighter than air collected by downwards displacement of air. Which of the following would occupy 22.4 liters at STP? This question is from the mole concept. I will make some separate videos related to mole concept, explanation and numericals of mole concept. For watching all those, subscribe the channel and press the bell icon. Which of the following would occupy? So here answer is 32 gram of oxygen, because here is the occupied for 22 gram of STP, and 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules of ammonia. This is Avogadro's number. Gram molar gram molecular is equal to 1 mole, which is equals to Avogadro number, and which is equals to, in terms of volume, 22.4 liter. Molecular mass of oxygen gas is 32 and number of moles on it is 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules. When ammonia 6.022 into 10 to power 23 molecules of ammonia are measured in terms of volume, that will be 22.4 liter. 1 mole of any gas occupies 22.4 liter at STP, then 2 mole will occupy 44.8 mole 8 liters, which is more than 22.4 liter. Now question number 14. In the molecule of water, oxygen atom has 2 lone pairs of electrons. Lone pairs of electrons means unshared pair of electrons. Here is in diagram. A mineral from which the metal can extracted economically and conveniently is known as ore. Ores are those minerals which are used to determine pure metals from their minerals or their impure form.